Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Scorpios. Okay, so we have the Ten of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Devil, okay, Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Cups. Okay, again, Ten of Swords. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Scorpios. Okay, so we have the Ten of Spades, the Eight of Diamonds, and the Jack of Clubs. Okay, guidance from the angels for Scorpios. Five of Action. Okay, so Scorpios, to start with, we have the Ten of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. See, what I feel here is that you feel that you really want to unburden yourself or relieve yourself from a situation which makes you feel ignored. You feel there is a situation in which you really feel ignored, you feel dejected, rejected, abandoned, and you really don't feel good about it. Okay, and that is a situation you really want to get relieved from. Okay, and that is what you are doing. That's what I feel. Okay, so you are coming back in your power with the King of Swords over here, relieving or unburdening or getting rid of a situation or getting rid of a responsibility, whatever it is, or an emotional baggage or a situation dealing with somebody else. So there is someone or some situation over here which you are not valued in, or you are not given that much importance or something like that. So there is a situation like that in which you really want to get relieved from, and that is what you are doing. Okay, and you are gaining your own power. You are coming back, you're regaining your self-worth, I should say, rather than power. So you are regaining your self-worth. You want to come back to your own energy or your own uh, self-worth, exactly, with the King of Swords. So here you are gaining back your power, you're gaining back your self-worth, you're gaining back your assertiveness and your own life. So you are coming back to the realization that this is me, this is the true me, and I really don't want anybody to hurt me emotionally. So you are keeping people at a distance at that point in time, maybe being very straightforward and to some extent even blunt, but you are just saying what you need to say without being blunt about it. Okay, so that is the situation of regaining the control of your life back from a situation which is really becoming a burden for you because somebody here is not valuing you, or there is a situation in which you are not rewarded or not appreciated as much as you want. Okay, and here we have, once you regain back your own power or your own uh, control over the situation, or regaining control of your own life, rather, I should say, here we have the Knight of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the Devil. So definitely you feel something or someone more passionate. So there is a situation which is giving you a beginning over here, and you feel very passionate towards it, and you're rushing in towards it very, very fast, and not even thinking twice before trying to get that situation or to reach that person, whatever it is, whatever this new beginning is for you. But with the devil, what I feel here is that this is the mistake perhaps you are doing, maybe that you are rushing in fast. That is what I feel. Maybe this is the, with the devil over here, there is something which is a repeated pattern, something you are doing again, some mistake perhaps you are repeating. And what I feel here is that maybe it is something that you are rushing in very fast. Maybe that is something which you must have done previously also and didn't get good results. Maybe I'll see what it is, but right now what I am getting is this only. So there is definitely a new beginning for you, towards which you feel very, very passionate about, and you're rushing in towards that person or that situation or that opportunity, whatever it means to you. And following it, we have the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the King of Cups, and then the Ten of Swords. So what I feel here is that I would like to take some more messages. Why is this devil here? Because here it's the Knight of Cups and the King of Cups. What is it? Yeah, again we have the nine of Swords, the Queen of Swords now, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, I really. So what I feel here is that there is a situation that I think definitely you are repeating the same mistake. That's what I feel. And here with the Three of Pentacles, maybe it is a third party relationship or a third love triangle, something of that sort, towards which you are moving. That's what I feel. But even if it is not a third party, but maybe you are discussing things with your friends, a meeting secretly, something is there. But what I feel here is because though here you are feeling and moving in very, very passionately, you're feeling that impulse, you need to rush and grab that whatever this thing is for you. And over here with the Knight of Cups and the King of Cups, what I am getting is, but it is being followed by a lot of anxiety, a lot of sleepless nights. So even though perhaps here you are showing your emotions, perhaps a bit slower than the Knight of Swords energy, and here with the King of Cups, you are even trying to regain your emotional control. And maybe that is coming because over here something is really happening which is causing you a lot of tension. With the Ten of Swords, you feel betrayed, you feel hurt. With the Nine of Swords, definitely lot of anxiety, lot of sleepless nights. The Queen of Swords, gaining that cold and detached energy. Page of Pentacles, again maybe a small sort of a beginning or small message, but what I feel here is maybe you are dealing with somebody over here with the Queen of Swords here and the King of Swords over here. So maybe you are dealing with somebody who is not responding much to your showing of the emotions perhaps. Though you are approaching this person with an as a Knight of Cups and the King of Cups, you are showing your emotions to this person, and maybe you've rushed in too fast. That was the mistake, or it is the same pattern you keep on doing again and again. You just pour everything and just open up immediately, maybe something of that sort. But there is something definitely wrong in your approach perhaps, which is again backfiring you to some extent, and that is why all this tension has come up once again in your life. Maybe you are giving in too much too fast and giving your 100% too fast. Maybe that is the mistake which you keep on committing again and again, that relationship pattern thing. Or maybe it is a love triangle once again. Can be that also, but there is definitely a situation in which you are investing nearly 100%. Even most of your energy is invested into it, but it is not giving you a fruitful outcome. Okay, and that is because of some approach which you are repeating again and again. You're falling into the same pattern again and again, and that is really backfiring you. And here we have the 10 of spades, the 8 of diamonds, and the jack of clubs. So again, what I feel here is that either you are ignoring some details. What I feel is it is like you're just looking up in the sky and walking without realizing what the reality is at the ground level. That's the message which I'm getting very strongly, that you are looking up in the sky and walking, not realizing the facts. Maybe it is sort of a daydreaming, and you just rush in towards the external appearance or the attractiveness of the situation, how the way it is presented to you, or you are really lured towards it. It can be the physical appearance of a person or something else which is important for you, but definitely it's all about passions. You really rush into it and then you realize it was wrong, and you are not walking at the ground level, ignoring the details, ignoring everything which is real, which is realistic, and you just walk with your head high, too focused on the target, on the object of your concern, of your attraction, and that is why you really commit that mistake. So you're too focused on the object without realizing the how to actually approach it. So you're missing the details somewhere, and that is coming up as a wake up call for you now. This is something you really need to understand, that this is what it is. You need to understand this, that this is the mistake you're committing again and again and falling a prey to it, and you really need to learn the lessons from what life has taught you and what this devil energy has taught you, that you're repeating the same mistake again and again and getting the same results again and again. Okay, here also you were abandoned, here also you're having the tension. Okay, so this is what I feel, that you're ignoring the ground details and being too lured or moving in too fast, because either you have the fear of losing it, that is the negative thing which is about it, or maybe you are too lured by the exterior or the physical appearance or money, whatever it is. It is about the package that you are so lured about that you ignore the details, the realities and the facts. The guidance from the angels is 5 of action. Your angels want you to know that your current challenge pushes you to be assertive and self-confident. Be willing to stand up for yourself and defend your position. You have the right to excuse yourself from those who bring drama into your life. So maybe it's you, or maybe it's the other person. If you really feel that this is a situation and a challenge which you land up into again and again, and people bring drama to your life, or you bring drama to their life, it can be for anyone. So you have the right to leave that person, or the other person has the right to leave you. But what I feel is you really need to realize that you have the right to correct yourself and leave your old habits. That is what I feel is the message from this reading. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.